Hey guys, this is Robert Lukat Detail. Do me a favor, man. Come over here. Do a close-up right here. Guys, take a look at this clear coat. You see how it's eroding from, this is exposed base coat, this is clear coat. You catching that? Okay, now take a step back. Now, all of it eroded up here, okay? So the paint job looks awful. Now, wax is not gonna work here because the paint is toasted and brittle. It's no good, okay? But what you can do is make it look better by simply cleaning it. This is called Lukat Fix It. This is a paint cleaner, not a wax. So I'm gonna put some on right here, okay? And guys, what I'm doing basically is, there's a lot of paint jobs that are ugly, but a lot of people don't know how to simply clean them up. And this is just a simple deep cleaner. There's no wax in this product. I'm not putting a shine on here. I already know that there's shine on here already. I don't know if I said that right. Anyways, putting a shine, waxes are basically shines in a bottle. You just put them on and it'll mask the surface. But in this case, all we have to do is clean it. Now this is not a wax, but a cleaner. It removes embedded contaminants, okay? Look how beautiful that's coming out. This is, now when you're working on exposed color base coat, you're gonna see paint coming off. It's okay, because this will not remove the good paint. This is, the good paint that is shiny is also very hard. This doesn't cut or remove hard paint. It only removes the paint that is toasted and brittle. Do me a favor, come over here and do that close up again right here. Now, the reason why the clear coat is peeling is because this clear coat is oxidized. It's contaminated, it's eroding. So you can do the same thing. Now here we got exposed base coat and we got clear coat. I'm just gonna go ahead and go back and forth. Now you can do this by hand or with the machine. It's very, very simple. The idea here is you're not gonna make it magically come back. You're simply gonna improve the appearance by cleaning it. If you can get the paint job to shine and refract, okay, you won't really notice the oxidation anymore. Okay, look at that. Just going back and forth, okay? It's clean. Now, if you take a step back, you look at an angle, it starts to disappear. There's no wax here. No wax. Now, this is a special kind of wax. Remember, these are cleaning products for bringing back the paint. If you want to wax them, you can wax them now. But before you do that, use this. This is a really, really good wax. This wax is designed to seal and protect the shine in your car. It's carnauba with polymers. Simple formula. The longer you leave it on, the harder it becomes, but it gives you a level of protection that the waxes won't. This is not about shine and pop. I don't want to make it shiny. If I simply clean it, I'll be able to bring back what shine is still left. Then you can use all those awesome waxes that are out there now. Now back in the 90s, a lot of the waxes, they weren't designed for clear coats. A lot of the ones that are on the shelves now are. But use this to clean the paint, bring it back. Look how beautiful that comes out. Okay, come up close so they can see. They see the clear coat's still peeling there, but now take a step back and it starts to disappear. And the reason why is because there's no more contrast. The clear coat's refracting, the base coat's refracting. No one's really gonna notice the problem anymore unless if you point it out. So Lukat Fix It is the cleaner. This is a sealer. This is a permanent fix, guys. We didn't put a shine over dirty paint. We simply cleaned it. In fact, if you have a hazy clear coat now, where it's usually on the hood, roof, and trunk, and you notice that it looks beautiful when it's wet, if you do these steps now, it'll prevent it from peeling. So Lukat Fix It, guys. Check us out at lukatdetail.com. Thank you for your time. Please like and subscribe to our channel so we can, we're doing more of these because people want to see this, so we're just doing that. But tell your friends about this. If you have friends with paint jobs where the hood, roof, and trunk are ugly, man, you can save them a lot of money not having to repaint the cars. They can save their paint jobs before they peel. Later, guys.